Hello there, let's talk about this Hikvision IP camera exception error. As you can see, I have my NVR already working, but I can't have my camera working, okay? So let me just explain what I have here. So basically, that's the camera, the Hikvision camera, which is connected to the switch. And I also have the NVR connected to the same switch, all right? And I also have a computer here. So with this computer, I have this tool, which is the SADP tool. So I can find the camera and the NVR in the network, and I can also set up then from here, okay? What's important to understand here is that I have my NVR. As you can see here, the IP is 192.168.0.120, and the camera has the IP 192.168.0.225, okay? Which is different when you compare there with the NVR. We see that the NVR has a different IP here. It's 0.64. So it's trying to connect to a different IP address. Was working before, but it's no longer working. Why? Because if you come back here to the camera, you see that the camera is using DHCP. Okay, DHCP means that the camera is going to get an IP from the router. So every time the IP is different here. Right now it's using 0225. So what I have to do is come here and change this. So I select the camera here using the SADP2. Remember that I have this laptop connected to the same network here, right? It's connected via Wi-Fi, but switch here is also connected to the same router, so I can have access to the same network, right? So using the SADP2 here, I select the camera, and here I disable the HCP. And I come here, and I insert the IP manually and put here my password so I can change to a static IP address, okay? So it was changed here, and if you take a look there, when the camera gets the new IP address, here I can have the camera back working, right? Let me just come back here to the NVR, come to the live view, and you see the camera's already there, right? So it's connecting by itself already. When I come here again, you see the status changed here now because the camera is working with the new IP address, right? So when I click here, I see the camera live, so it's working. And now I have the static IP address. I will not have this exception error anymore because now the camera will always have the same IP address. All right. So if we're having this Hikvision IP camera exception error, you just need to change the camera. Instead of using DHCP, use a static IP and you're good to go. Right. So I hope this helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.